Oh! Oh, shoot! What is it now? I did not read the message. Should be a bird. The EAS community.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Norman SVR again.
Southeastern Harper County in northwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Major County in northwestern Oklahoma, eastern Woodward County in northwestern Oklahoma until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles west of Alabaster Cavern State Park to 4 miles northwest of Mutual, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alva, Moreland, Winoka, Freedom, Tacoma, Mutual, Alabaster Cavern State Park, Quinlan, Avard, Capron, Hopeton, Bouse Junction, and Camp Houston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.